Yes, all of our speaker presentation materials will be available approximately 2 weeks after the end of the conference. Once they're up and ready, you'll be able to view them on our website at live.dynamicscon.com.
We recommend the buddy system. Coordinate with a colleague or a fellow community member to divide and conquer, and then exchange notes and debrief after the sessions. Also, don't forget, like Liz mentioned, the presentation materials will be made available to you after the conference.
Don't worry, you're in luck. We've got an option for you. If you head to live.dynamicscon.com, check out our accommodations page where you will see, to date, one hotel, the Hyatt Regency, listed as an overflow hotel for you to book a reservation. Book quickly. You will also see another hotel added to that page soon. We will be providing a shuttle service to those facilities at the beginning of the day and the end of the day. They are very close, and if the weather permits, they are definitely in walking distance, and you're welcome to take a nice stroll to or from the conference.
We would encourage you to submit a session proposal for DUG webinars and DUG meetups, which you can do at dynamicsusergroup.com. Also, keep an eye out. Our session submission process for DynamicsCon Virtual will also be coming very soon.
Registering 5 or more people automatically qualifies you for a 15% discount. But if you follow any of our sponsors or Microsoft MVPs on social media, you might just find a discount there as well.